and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I want to show you what I got in my Walmart beauty box. They run for only $5 and I believe it's one box per season. So let's take a look at what we got. So we have Embrace Your Beauty. Okay. So the first product I have is from Hello, and it is a fluoride toothpaste. Okay. Next product is Jergens. It's a Natural Glow Wet Skin Moisturizer, and this is from fair to medium skin tone. And next we have Soft Soap, and this is a body wash. Next we have Pantene Foam Conditioner, Sheer Volume Conditioner. It's different. And we have a 3-day whitening boost kit from Rembrandt. Next we have an acai berry sleeping mask and some coupons for the products that came in the box. So yeah, that is everything I got in this little Walmart beauty box. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Bye.